A healthy lasagna made by my husband. 2 diced red onions, crushed 2 cloves of garlic, diced 2 carrots and 2 celery sticks. Chop 2 sprigs of rosemary, put a pan on medium heat. Add a glug of olive oil. In goes the red onion, garlic, carrot, celery and rosemary. Measure out 100 ml of red wine. Tear off a kilo of mixed mushrooms over medium heat. Keep stirring the veggies. Cook the mushrooms until they release their water. You need to do in batches. After 20 minutes, in goes the red wine, a tin of lentils, juice and all, 2 tins of tomatoes, a tin of water. Give it a stir. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to a fry pan with 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Stir it up and add 800 ml of almond milk. Keep stirring, let it thicken. Add it to a blender with 1/3 of the mushrooms and 50 grams of cheese. Whiz it up. The oven goes to 180. Keep stirring the bolognese. Tear up half a bunch of sage and get out the lasagna sheets. Now we put it together. A layer of bolognese sauce on the bottom, with a sprinkling of mushrooms. On go 2 lasagna sheets and a few spoonfuls of the creamy sauce. Continue layering the lasagna, finishing with the bolognese sauce, mushrooms and the rest of the creamy sauce. Top with cheese, sage and a drizzle of olive oil. Into the oven for 50 minutes until golden and bubbling. See the comments for more resources. Yum!